ourselves here to be innovative and creative. We look for hands-on learning experiences, and this is just an awesome opportunity for the staff and students here at Otsego, and we can't thank everyone enough. Yeah, so this was the groundbreaking of the fox-shank living laboratory, which is a piece of property that was donated to the Otsego Local School District. So no tax dollars or general fund money used. It was literally through the H2 Ohio initiative. The information and experiences that kids are going to get at being exposed to this is just going to make them so competitive as they leave high school and they maybe find their passion and career, and they could get that initial exposure here in high school by having this property.
What can we do to clean the water in Lake Erie? And we discovered one of the most important things that we can do is build natural infrastructure. So that's why we've been building wetlands all over Northwest Ohio.
They're going to have the knowledge and the compassion for the environment, right, and all the different ecosystems and things like that, so that maybe they go into a career field and try to solve some of our real problems that we have with water quality, especially here in Northwest Ohio. We're talking generations of effect that this property can have for our staff and students.
On behalf of the members of the House of Representatives of the 135th General Assembly of Ohio, we are pleased to congratulate Otsego Local School District on the grand opening of the Fox-Shank Living Laboratory.
As an FFA member, we are students in the Otsego Penta Agricultural Education Program. Through agricultural education, students are provided opportunities for leadership development, personal growth, and career success.
The ability to bring kids out to an actual wetland, a restored wetland, and talk about what the purpose of it is and what it's doing and how it's improving water quality and how it's, bringing wildlife to the area and all sorts of different things, right? So the fact that they can come out here and do as they learn, it really does set us apart.
What we got out of this event is we learned a lot about what we can do to keep our water safe and how we can make it better and help people learn these same things too, so our ecosystem can really improve.
I want to thank Governor DeWine for putting the H2 Ohio initiative in place and letting us do projects like this and put these special places on the ground.